Alrighty. Welcome, one and all, again. This is mostly for posterity's sake. We are working on the Pirate Software Game Jam, doing some live development. The project is coming along quite nicely, actually. We're gonna return through this for now. Save all, and then we'll see what we're gonna be doing today. That music might be a bit too loud, eh? There you go. Might be a bit more manageable. Alrighty, so we just did some targeting for our tilling, and we're gonna be moving that system as well to like planting seeds and whatnot. So we have this target system. We also kind of blacklist any tiles that you're not allowed to till or plant on or like place structures on, right? Obviously, it needs a bit of fine tuning because this is still available, but yeah, you can even place it on trees and it will like destroy them, which will net some items as well at some point, but for now it just destroys them. But yeah, the target goes around and it actually stays down until you dismiss it. You can water the soil after yesterday, and we can actually plant seeds. But so there's that, but I want the planting seeds to also be, with that targeting system. We can put it in the hotbar, select it, and then target. When did the jam start? It started exactly 1 week ago. This is a 2-week jam. Yeah. Oh, hey, Aeneas. How's it going? Yes, this is the Pirate Software Game Jam 15. We've got 6 days, 17 hours left. The theme is Shadows and Alchemy. Hey, good to hear, man. All right. So yeah, we want to move that targeting system to the planting of seeds and structures and whatnot as well. The seeds are different because it's an item as opposed to like these are skills essentially. Hell yeah, man! Looking forward to having you back. All right, let's got this. So for the skill, I kind of did a check distance kind of function. We're gonna do the same thing here. It's gonna do a switch for item type here as well. Alrighty, and we're kind of gonna do part of this logic is gonna be shoved into here. And this is it, or this is part of it. So we actually store all the soils that we create, like the tilled earth, into a dictionary that we have access to. And it's just dictionary vector2s and game objects, and then we access the soil script from that. So we're going to want to do this. Oh wow, I joined the Discord a little too late. Your game looks pretty good so far. I like the watering mechanic. They provide assets. They don't provide assets on their own. You are allowed to use any of your own that you have commercial right to use. And as our pixel artist was away for the first week of this jam, we decided to use some assets and then modify them ourselves. So we actually animate everything ourselves. We splice it up and animate them in a skeletal animation software called Spine. We do some of our own pixel art and stuff for later as well. So all our crops are going to be original. We might redo this wizard tower. And the 2 central set pieces, which will be right here, and then like down here later, those will be our own custom as well. Like more mechanic. Yeah. Alright, so this is what we want, but we're gonna want the target position. which I think will be rounded off in the first place, so we don't even need this. I'm gonna grab the world. Oh, oh. And we're gonna grab the soil check. So basically, we're gonna check if our target position, when we're trying to check if we can use this item, we're gonna access that dictionary I mentioned earlier, and we're gonna check if it's seeded or not. If it's not seeded, then we can place seeds there. Oh, but I suppose we can do this on the item check, maybe. I guess we only remove the item when they use it anyways. Okay, I think... Yeah, I think we're gonna do this check in here still. Yeah, because we want it to make sure it's a valid position. We're gonna say else return false. Oh, actually, okay, wait, we don't even need to do all those else statements. We're just gonna say if it's a seed, and if we get to this point, we'll return false, meaning they can't use it. I think we keep the break there in case anyways, but yeah. Alright. Keep that. Now we're going to do our distance check. We're just going to say if vector2 distance. We're going to say our caster.transform.position. And the target position is less than or equal to... Oh, that's right. We're going to need a use range for the seeds here. Actually, because it's a seed type, we don't even need to cost it for anything on this. We'll just do that. We'll do actually 1.25. Wonder if I should make this an int actually, because this false means like there was no soil there in the first place. Okay, yeah, no, it should be fine either way, because then it'll walk them to there, and then it'll just let them know once we have that system in place to let, like, hey, you gotta till this before you come plant seeds there. Alright, that should be fine then. Alrighty, that should be good. And now we can keep these checks here, I'm pretty sure. But instead of this, we're gonna use our... Yeah, instead of check position, we're just gonna do the caster target position. So the same thing we did for the tilling. Alright, that should work. Now we're gonna go to our player. We're gonna check out our state system. We have the pending item index. Okay, cool. So now we can do something akin to this. So this will set our target position and all that. We don't even need this just yet, I don't think. Where do we assign that? Yeah, we assign that on the item use. So where do we use the seeds right now? Item data unused, yeah. So this we're gonna have to change a bit. I don't even use this either, do I? Yeah. Awesome. So now we can do a switch for item data dot item type. Same thing we're doing in the other logic, just on this side. And then we're gonna say item type. I guess we gotta go item dot item. Scriptable item. Scriptable item. Oh wait, no, I think I placed it outside of it. So it should be able to just do item type. Yeah, awesome. Then we'll actually return here. What is this throwing? Switch empty block. Oh, huh. So if it's a seed, we'll break, like, return here, so we never get to this code here. And we're just gonna say pending inventory index equals index. And now if our pending inventory index does not equal -1 and we're in the idle state, we're going to try inventory, pending inventory index, check the distance between that and the target position. Oh wait, is that lowercase? It is. Dot item dot check distance. Awesome. Okay, we don't need this though. Basically, if we're close enough, then we'll use it. So we can just say inventory, pending inventory index item dot unused. Oh, I think it's checking for an inventory check. Yeah. So the caster would be this. The inventory would be true, I believe. Yeah. And the index would be the inventory index. So if we use it, then we can set the pending inventory index to -1. Thus resetting it. We can also set our... Oh, it's not float, yeah. We can also set our target position back. And otherwise, we're going to go to our target position. Yeah, cool. So we can just copy this and paste it into our moving, because it's going to do the exact same thing. So basically, check the distance to our target position. If we're close enough, just use it. If we're not, because we checked the distance, we're going to path to it. Alright, I think that's it for that logic. But now, we gotta do target position. To do that, we gotta prep it. So if we try to use it... Oh, that's true. Okay. We'll pass along. Because we actually don't need this here yet. Where's our mouse control? Or mouse target. So this is a script for that targeting reticle I was talking about earlier. And we're gonna do... Yeah, actually, this doesn't need that, I don't think. Okay, cool. We clicked yada yada yada. Let's do a public integer for our inventory index, just to pass that along. Oh, shoot. Okay, we need this to be only in soil. Yeah. And you know what? We can make another one for seeds. So now we can just kind of copy this as well. And we could do that same check we did in our basic item. Basically just checking if we have a soil at that part and if it's not seeded. So instead of that. Okay, and what did I call this? Check position. Okay, so if it is seeded, then do it red. Otherwise, it should be white. Do that here as well. Now instead of a tilt ground, we'll have this at our player.pending inventory index equals inventory index. Click it. Now, if we don't have a soil there at all, let's do this again. And generally, I would maybe separate these into their own functions and whatnot. But it's probably not too needed right now. Per game jam, at least, you know. Alright, we can clear this. And that would delete that. Okay, cool. Now, I do have to check as well if it's a... okay, so let's set this to -1 by default. If our inventory index does not equal -1, and then if player.inventory index dot amount is less than 1, so like there's no item there left, then we'll do the delayed destroy. We need no. And I think we can do that in... Oh wait, no, this is what I want. It's right here. Yeah. It's all that. Basically, when we're planting a bunch of seeds and we click our last one and use our last one, it should detect that, hey, we don't have any more here, and we'll close out of this mouse targeting system. Alrighty, so now, the same stuff we did to till, which I think we did in UI Manager, we can now do in here as well. So we click till, so we're actually just gonna grab that. I'm just gonna say seed is true. And then we're also gonna say go to the component mouse target dot inventory index equals index. All right, I think that might be everything. We'll have to test it out. I'm probably forgetting something, but it might work. Okay, we'll put a till down as well. So I gotta get a particle effect for that. But let's try here. Okay, now when I click 1, it should bring up a target, and it should be red everywhere else except this spot right here. And I shouldn't be able to click on anything else, and I should be able to click in here. Did not work. Okay. Well, oh, okay, it works from the inventory. That's curious. Uh oh. Okay, send me to 0, 0. Okay, interesting. Alright, so why did it not work in the inventory? I wonder. But also, I don't think we passed our stuff correctly. Our target position. Yeah, because where do we do this? Ah, okay, perfect. We're just gonna have to set the player target position to the correct position when we click on a seed. Which we can do right here. Let's say player.target position equal to the check position. Now that should work, but I am curious as to why it didn't work from the hotbar. Where do we use this? Only in inventory. Okay, where's our hotbar? UI hotbar. Oh, it just tries to use the... It just tries to use it. Wow, okay. So we don't want that. We want this to use the same process as the other one. Okay, so we're gonna want to do player. Actually, let's keep that just for reference. Make sure I'm not screwing anything else. Player.onUsed or use inventory item inventory index. I'll keep this here for future reference, I think. Alright. Hey Mizu, how's it going? Let's water it too. Okay. So we'll try it from both, but I want to try from hotbar first. Ooh. Okay, I'm clicking around. That's not working. Oh, it's close. Wow, okay, why is it not working now? As it should be, right? Good, I've taken a shower and done something to dinner after walking a bit. Done something to dinner? What'd you do to it? 20-minute shower of speedrunning? Hell yeah. I also take very, very long showers. And I think it's... I don't know, like, I literally came up with the idea with this game, like the base concept, while in the shower that morning. I don't know, I get to, like, I read somewhere that brains are kind of like computers. You know, if you, like, leave a task running, or, like, you know, you leave a train of thought running in your head, it, like, eats up your RAM, essentially, right? And, yeah, I think that's pretty accurate. I'm always very scattered-brained in general, but I think, yeah, the shower kind of takes away that. For me, at least, I don't know. Okay, why isn't it using it when we get close enough? I wonder what if it's the... No, 1.25 still. Should be the same for those seeds, right? Oh, wait. I wonder if I clear the target position and stuff like that too soon. That might be it. Like, I bet I clear this stuff too soon. Maybe it might be a race condition. Well, let's try that. In where basic skill or basic item. Oh, no, we just want caster. Yeah, it happens to be when I'm doing anything that I kind of automatically do house first kind of thing. Yeah. Yeah, I've been trying to, like, actually find time to, like, meditate. It sounds way more cool than it actually is, but it's really just letting my mind clear itself, you know, just thinking about nothing as opposed to thinking about, you know, 100 things at once. Ah, why isn't it working? Does it really need to be closer? Like a greater distance, maybe? I don't know. Yeah, okay. Because it's hopping back and forth between idle and moving, which I think means we're not checking distance appropriately. Or something like that. Let's try to increase that range. Basic item. If it's less than 1.5. Let's try that. Just need that as well at some point. Hmm. I wonder why this isn't working. It's so weird. It's like pathing there correctly. Oh, do I never return true? Yeah, I never return true. Oh, that's stupid of me. Alrighty. But I can fix that pretty easily. So now, if it does... Okay. Oh. Might have to disable the buttons and stuff when you have a cursor out, in case you like click and it goes and tills something up here, you know what I mean? Oh, I was not close enough for that, brother. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, yeah. Okay, now it's just not working. Okay. Okay, the distance between the caster and the target position is less than 1.25. Return false. Otherwise, return true, right? Oh my god. Good god, I need more sleep, man. Holy crap. Oh, it's so silly. Magic, oh, I mean, that's true. Maybe an item. One of the roguelike items. Makes it so you can plant from X tiles away or whatever. Woo! It's beautiful. Oh yeah, let's see if we can... Awesome. Still red because we have crops there. Woo! Alrighty. It's going well. Alrighty, so... Placement indicator for till and seeds, done. Now let's add that, like, example crop stuff as well. So then we can delete this tree. Delete this one. We'll just have some logs set up as a fence. Master 2. Kind of looks weird that the grass blends. Oh, so something like this. Yeah, I tried to get that to work. It just did not work very well, unfortunately. Maybe if I have time, I can like try to spend more time on it and polish it. But I think for now, I'm gonna leave it as is. Gotta pick my battles, kind of, you know. Kind of silly looking, I guess. Maybe if I can get Nias to do some art for it. Like a fence, like an actual fence or whatnot, right? Yeah, no, pro. Yeah, no, definitely. I think like I want to get to a state where we can afford to like just polish the crap out of it, because I think this game will stand out due to polish as opposed to like, you know, it's not super creative or new or anything, you know. It's like blending old genres and stuff. But I did think it was like probably the most feasible and capable still, but yeah. Awesome. Hey, let's get one more. I kind of like that open space. Tell you what, that will. Maybe. Oh. Yeah. I'll do that. I don't really want to take the time to make these into objects. I'm just going to block off a bit of space above them. Oh, I guess you too. Scarecrow. Although I guess this scarecrow could be moved. Maybe right here or something. Or like right here. Yeah, let's do that. Let's actually move it there. So we delete that block. Awesome. Cool. Probably won't import that right away, but that'll be our like our, you know, it has some plots in it already and like crops growing. That'll be like your planting tutorial kind of. Okay. Oh wow, this wasn't blocked off. Whoops. A lot of these weren't blocked off. What's going on there? Cool. Alright. What else we got? We got nighttime spawning next. Let's do that. I think I actually even started on that. We have world control. The nighttime spawns. So this should spawn a bat 2 to 4 times when night happens. Or like that's what the information is for. Let's move towards that. World control. On night start. We're gonna find the index. Oh, the day count starts at 0. Tick over days. Okay, cool. Okay, so that first one should be 0 then, I think. Yeah. Actually, probably not even need an index. But I'll do it just to be safe. But basically they're going to be spawning randomly from these holes here, the shadow variants. And then at the time, they're going to be different AI types. There's going to be stuff that will immediately try to attack the tree or any structures you've placed, along the way. And then there's going to be things that will like try to hunt you down. So we're going to do... Just so I don't have to do them in order as well, I guess. Did I name the data structure night spawns? I did. Okay, and we're gonna do, because this has like a spawn range, how many to spawn. We're gonna pick a random number. I guess we can just do if int I equals 0, I is less than, or not if, 4. Man, I'm tired. I is less than, you need to enter random.range. And I need this as an integer. We're going to say night spawn dot spawn range dot x and night spawn dot spawn range dot y. Yep, should be good. And then just I plus plus. Oh shoot, I wonder if that, I don't think it does, but just in case, I'm just gonna assign this as an integer. Int max. And reference it instead. Yeah, should be good, but I just want to make sure. So now, what is this? What's going on here? Did I do a for loop wrong? Am I that cooked right now? No, I didn't. Oh, ha. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to want to spawn... Oh, okay, yeah, we're going to want to do this too. Oh no, we just want like a random, I think. A random amount. And a random monster from each list. Kind of diversify each run. So we're going to instantiate actual references. Gotcha, right. Why can't I get... Ah, I see. I am cooked right now, holy crap. Oh yeah, how do I grab a random of this? too, I suppose. I guess we can just use the index. There's a game object, right? So, oh, it's the monster. Yeah, no, that should be still fine. No, I just want this. Oh, I see. And then position, another random. Zero and night spawn locations. Dot length. And we just want that position. And then returning identity. The position we're actually gonna add a inside unit circle times like 1.5. And then this whole thing going to be in player author of player dot. Yeah, I'll think it. Unless I can just reference that. No, I can't. Okay. Why can't I? That should be static. It is. What do I got reference for this? Oh, okay, yeah, true. I see. Okay, yeah, we'll just cache that. Player equals player equals find object of type. Not any, just object. Don't have a player turn. Oh, that's right. That's player.agent.nearest valid destination. Okay. So it loops through all the night spawns in our list. It finds the correct index, which means we can have multiple on each, and we can kind of randomize that per run as well. And then it gets our max. From this, we spawn up to our max. We spawn creatures, a random creature from the list at a random position. Ooh, that's an error. There you go. At a random position from our spawn locations, but still on the nav mesh, so it can still move. That should be good. So now when the night starts, what should happen? Let's try it out. Shall we? And it should spawn 2 to 4 for the first night and whatnot. Alright. Let's give it a go. Probably gonna speed up our day and night cycle for this really quick. So when this happens, we should see it pop up. Or more bats pop up here. And they did. Perfect. And they're actually spawning in their positions. Awesome. Now, obviously, I had them... like previously, I had them... tethered to a position, so right now they're kind of locked to that central area and whatnot. But it's working. Right there spawns. Woo! Alright. Let's push this on plastic too. That's just our version control. It's kind of built into Unity now. So Unity used to have this thing called Unity Collab. It was their version control built in. They dropped support for it, and then Plastic kind of partnered with Unity. And I quite like Plastic. I like it better than Git, believe it or not. Granted, I don't think anybody really likes Git, but... Alright, time to play around with particles to give shadow variants. But I might do that later. Might start working on like the crafting. I don't know, let's see what we got here. Base map, that's kind of done. Forest hunting, yeah. Bird fishing cave, mouth, yeah. Cutting trees. I might do cutting trees. Right now, it just kind of they get destroyed when you till over them. Item collection, pickup. Yeah, still gonna do that. Map transitions. Yeah, loot explosion. Day and night clock is probably the next thing I'll work on. Although getting player UI. Yeah, let's do the health and mana bar really quick. Yeah. Yeah, alright. Just do player vitals. And what do we want it to look like? One, I can move this FPS counter away. Actually, I don't think I even need this anymore. I was just kind of testing our WebGL builds, make sure I wasn't overloading it with fancy effects or whatnot. Let's create a new panel. Oh, 180. that might be too big, actually. Let's do it like... That's more manageable. Do I have level as a stat? I think... Yeah, okay, yeah, I do. Sweet. So this will have a level. Might have your currency and stuff as well. Let's do the frame. Where's that frame? I think this one is the one I want. I want it tiled, not sliced. I maybe do want to like something like that, maybe. The labels here and then a text here. Something like that. Oh yeah, I think I used like the health vital and then just turned it black. I think so. Now the question is, do I set this up for slicing or tiling? Looks like sliced. Yeah. Cool, we can get rid of the handle. Fill will be this guy. Sliced, yeah. Excellent, I think. Ooh, but 0 I want it like gone. Oh, that's odd. Oh, no, it's not. 515. I think I screwed some up earlier. I did. Sweet. Oh, that's right. These little slots for them. Okay, I'll have to grab that. Oh, what was it? Soul slot? I think so. We're just gonna get the minimum so we can slice it or tile it or whatnot. Like that. Oh, I did have Vital Bar. What the hell? Kind of like that. But I don't know, maybe I don't want the new size. I can probably just adjust it from here. Ugh, I hate working with UI and Unity, man. Probably UI in general, but... Huh. Thought that would go into streamer mode. Just gonna put that in streamer mode really quick. Usually does it automatically, that's all. Yeah. Yeah. I didn't leave space for it either, so this will have to be... to... I just help the slider, something like that. You know what? Let's grab it like a... kind of like a pixel. Oh. Yeah. I hate working with UI, and I hate working with Pixel UI even more. Especially in Unity. I can never seem to make it like work the way it should. I'm sure I'm doing something wrong with it, but... something like that, maybe. Yeah. Oh, what was the size? 192? Alright, let's just try it with the normal size. Oh, was it 21? 21, yeah. By all rights, that should fit neatly into the pixel grid. Surely. There we go. Huzzah! Yeah, it's fine for now. Oh, you don't like the rounded outlines. So I think you won't be able to tell when you're not that close up. But yeah, no, I get it. I do get it. Let's group those out. Let's make this the mana slider. I'll do caps. Where do I have it? There it is. Oh, I just do XP. Ah. You know, they are a bit tucked in, so let's grab the MP label. Alright, let's just grab all labels. Go back just a bit. EP works. Yeah. There you go. Handsome little bar, although that's drooping a bit. I gotta fix that. Voila. Oh, see, the only thing that sucks about that is I scaled down these two. Oh, maybe I'll scale down that one too, just to keep it consistent. Oh, that's a 0.6. Oh, no. Oh, can I do 0.7? And then, like, change the spacing to 8. Yeah, yeah. We'll have to scale this down, unfortunately, to make it match the rest. Which, that doesn't look bad. The problem is this here. This crap. You can't even see it in the scene view, but in the game view, you can. It's like pixel shearing. I hate it so much. Thank you, Unity. Shot 131. See if that fixes anything. And then vitals. Smaller is better. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah. You really don't like those rounded edges, hey? Let's make it even. Ah, this goddamn pixel string. Oh, beautiful. So now I'm pretty sure these pixels should be the same size on the UI everywhere. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure, right? Let's bring it down. So this is 114. Let's just copy that so we don't forget. Let's compare. Oh, beautiful. Okay, now. Oh, how they're not lined up. Okay. I see what you mean, yeah. Should I line up the colons, you think? But then it's gonna be like a line out here. Maybe I'll reduce the text of the MP. Like the text size. Excellent. 15, and this was like 7.5, right? Then is that better? Oh. Might add like a little shadow sprite backdrop here as well. Like add like to all these, like a little vignette effect almost. Just cause like I don't know, sometimes you want a little border, I think, between the start cutoff of the pixel art and the UI. Maybe I could just outline them in black, actually. I wonder. Like a black fade shadow outline. Hmm. Oh, oh, oh. Found a bug. What, how'd that happen? Did I click too fast? I think I clicked too fast. Let's, kill some more earth. Oh, I should disable it like this, I think. Yeah, because it doesn't get disabled yet. Okay, yeah. Oh, let's just add that on. Now the question is, do I have labels in the middle of those as well to display like the actual number of points you have left in each category? No. I gotta wait till after. What's that? Oh, and the pending skill index is too short as well. I wonder. Okay, let's in our basic item. Yeah, basic item. Let's set the pending skill index. And because it's a player thing, we're gonna have to do that, but don't think the numbers are important to be shown. Yeah, it might not be, especially for something like a game jam. I think if we were to like flesh it out and put it on Steam, we'd need some way. Maybe if you hovered over it, you'd be able to see the number or something like that. Because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make like watering crops and tilling the ground because you're gonna do it with magic, right? I'm gonna make the cost MP. So it's you know in Stardew how you have like an energy system, it would kind of be like that. So it'd be nice to like know how much you have. But yeah. Nice. Okay, that's working really well. Oh, and awesome. The thing deleted when I ran out of the item. Sweet. Woo. Alrighty. I think I took away the ability. Yeah, so this will be like the central tree, so you won't be able to do it here. I think I gotta clean up these edges too, maybe. Yeah. Yeah, just being able to know exactly how much you can do per day and stuff like that. So I might make it so when you hover over it, oh, they're interactable right now. When you hover over it, it will just like show you the number. But I do agree with you that I think it'd be too cluttered right now if I were to just stick the numbers in here as well. Man, I love the wizard hat on this guy. We gotta make an effect for the tilling too. Okay, let's make sure these aren't interactable. There we go. Alright, cool. So now... Where's our player UI? I put it in the folder, right? Oh, player vitals, yeah. Now we need to use game.ui. I'm just gonna say public slider player help, public slider player mana, public slider player XP. And then we'll just do a cache for the player here as well. Oh, ha. Gotta name it. So if we don't have a player, let's grab it. Player equals find object of type player. If we still don't have a player after we did that, return, because we're not running those calculations unless we have to. Player health dot value equals player dot health. Yeah, however, it would work well, but if you want to show directly, I think UI should have more length or changed entirely. Yeah. Yeah. Definitely. I think it works for something like New Eden, just because of the way the UI is designed, right? You kind of get numbers on both sides. You can kind of be able to see that. With the UI redesign coming as well, that'll be something we gotta tackle. But yeah. Do I have a max health for this? I should. Yeah, max. I want this as a float. This is right? Am I too tired? Say you have 30, and you have 100 max. Yeah, okay, cool. Alright, let's just try that. Make sure that's working properly before we commit to doing it for every bar. Bada bada bing. Let's grab player vitals. And we'll put a bat in the scene just to attack me. I missed. No, that ain't good. What's happening there? It's probably rounding down because God. It loves not taking into account my casts. Bing. Yeah, 0. Okay. Do I have to make them both floats? Oh. I love Unity, but I also despise it a lot of the time. UI broken. I hate making UI, dude. And it seems like it's like 90% of what I do, like all the time. I'm just working with UI. He missed. There we go. Yeah. See how stupid that was, though? I can't. Bedmass should work when I cast all of it as a float, right? I put it in brackets. I said, hey, it's a float. It's telling me even that this cast is redundant. Both these casts are redundant, apparently, right? But I needed them for it to work. Like, oh my god. So fucking annoying. Yeah, I guess I'll need a max mana as well. And I just won't do the XP yet. Alright, let's make placement skill. When we apply it, yeah, if it's like working. Let's take away our caster dot mana minus equals costs. And because I planned for this system earlier, I put it into the skills already. So let's make tilling cost like 5. I don't know. And watering costs 10. Then when we have tooltips, we'll be able to see, or like menu tooltips at least, we'll be able to hover over this and see how much each cost and what they are even. Bing. Oh. Oh, did I not? Yeah. Yeah. And then let's set this to 0 for now. And there is no check on this right now, so I can just keep using it. But yeah, I'll do that right now actually. When you try to use those. Oh, where was that even? Well, we'll need summon a mouse target as well. So if your inventory index is... Okay, now we'll do one here. If your player.pending skill index does not equal -1, then if player.skills... if player.mana is less than or equal to player.skills, player.pending skill index, .mana costs. No, it's just less than. We don't need less than equal to. Oh. What does it have a problem with here? Oh, ha! Alright, so if the mana cost is, if your mana is below the mana cost, then we'll do the exact same thing we do here, actually. We'll just get rid of it. Oh, but we'll need to do a bit more for this, actually. I think we'll say... Yeah, exactly, you know? No one said you were an efficient alchemist. So I think we gotta reset our pending skill index. And our target position as well. Let's just be safe. And same thing for here. We gotta set our... Oh no, that's fine, I think. No, that's not fine. Player.inventory. Pending inventory index. Need one. Oh, that was only one check of it though. We gotta do it in do I have a can use for the skills yet? I don't think I do. I should. I did not. Alright. Let's get a can use. Which I should have done earlier instead of referencing that, but that's fine. Virtual skill. Not virtual abstract. Oh, yeah, no, that's good. Huh. Okay. We go back to skill, make a wrapper for it. Oh, no. Just need... That's right. Now we go to basic skill. Gotta implement it. I'm thinking you can pretty much always use a basic skill. Now in placement skill. Oh, and damage skill. I guess we're gonna have to do that too. We'll do the mana check here too. If cast without mana less than mana costs. Turn faults. And we'll do some more stuff there earlier, but now placement skill, thing that we actually want right now. Pretty much the same thing. So now when we're setting our current skill, if skills water index dot can use. Gotcha. Why is that? Did I miss a capital? I did. Yucky. Wait a minute, that might not be correct. This check here. We till the ground. Okay, if it is a soil, I think we need this here instead. So if you're doing the tilling soil and you have the player skills dot till index, what did I name it? Surely I named it, yeah, till index. They're not. Oh, because it's static, I can't use the cache. Cool. Yeah, I don't think we need this. I'll save it just in case, but... Center attack, yeah. Alright, I think it's all good to go. Let's try it. So now the reticle should disappear when I run out of mana. Awesome. It did. And when we do watering, nothing happens because we don't have any mana. I'll have to have like a little pop-up notification system, like, hey, you don't have any mana. Stuff like that. Or, you know, when you want to plant seeds and stuff to have, you know. Okay, I think this actually steals focus. Yeah, maybe not. Maybe just inventory this as focus. Huh. Felt like it was a delayed input there. It works. It really works! Woo! Alright, that's a lot of progress. This I can rip from New Eden as well. I was gonna get Prox to do this, but I think I'm gonna have to do it. Placing structures I kind of have now. With the placement skill. I'll make like the scarecrow or something like that a bit magical. And maybe I can animate him a bit and have him be like your tutorial guy. I think that could work. Or at least your tutorial for farming. Ugh. Yeah, right now we're just using these tiles for the crops, but yes, we'll be making some actual crops that grow and whatnot as well. Ugh. Should I make like a little path here? Ah, no. Forgetting it's like the reverse. Well, you know what? I need to make aggro AI. Do that real quick. Oh yeah, let's make those bars like elastic too. It's one of my favorite things to do. It just adds so much little spice to it, really. I kind of did the same thing here, but I can do it more efficiently. I wasn't even thinking when I did that. I tend not to think, really. Okay, so the value is going to equal that, but we're going to say... and do like if player health dot value does not equal this, then we're gonna say, oh, relatable. Yeah, I tend not to think when I can help it. Oh my god. Player health dot value equals. Oh god. And we're just gonna see if this is higher or lower. Actually, we can say plus equals. And then if the player health, that value is greater than this, then we'll say we'll add to it. Otherwise, subtract to it. So now we don't need this. Do the same thing for mana. Alrighty, more efficient. So we can just do a, I forgot what they're called, conditional if statement. I don't know. I didn't go to school for this, man. Alright, so now when we till the earth, you just do it like scroll. Unless it's far too slow or something like that. What? Did I have goof? Possibly. Okay. This should have worked. Why isn't it working? What the cuss? Okay. What's the issue here? The value is not equal to what it's supposed to be. Then add to it. Base time is greater or less than, right? Yeah. Oh, I wonder if the UI doesn't like that. Oh, this is so annoying. Alright, let's try this. Alright. It's less than player dot mana divided by player dot max mana. Then we adjust the value to equal. I wonder if that's what I did. If the sliders don't like the plus equals. I don't know. We'll figure it out after this goes through. Player mana value equals player mana value plus and we don't need this as a vector 2. Now we should do the same thing, but negative. But check what's greater than it. Wait. Did I do this backwards? Yeah, I did, I think. Okay. Let's try that. I have a sneaking suspicion it's the Unity UI. Just doesn't like it. Oh, that's interesting. Why aren't you changing, buddy? Huh? What? What? I don't get it. Did I make these like mirrors? Okay. If the value of the slider is less than your mana divided by max mana, then subtract from it. No, okay, I did do it backwards. Yeah. Yeah, apparently. I did do it back. Man, I need sleep. But there's so much to get done. There we go. Excellent. See how it slides down? Oh! It's far too much trouble for what this did to me, but... Yeah, that's bizarre. So why isn't this one working now? I wonder if I could have to set equal to player health value plus this. Check that. I missed again. No, I guess it just doesn't work with that other method. That's really weird. This is not correct? If the slider value... Okay, so it adds it based on if the slider value is greater... Oh! Ha! I think I did it backwards up here, too. And we could do it like that. That one's still working. Hit the bat. Hit me. Ah, it's kind of there. Wonder why it's jumping like that. It is. I'm just gonna do this again. Here I was trying to like reduce line counts, and it just blew up in my face. I'm sure if I was more well rested, I could see it. But as it is, done. Well, it works, but man, I wish it was wish it was more efficient. Let's increase that slide. Cool. Awesome. Well, I mentioned in our Discord at least that probably a shorter stream today. I'll still be working on it as well. I'm just gonna be doing more stuff outside of this as well. I don't want to put on the New Eden screen every 5 minutes or whatnot. But yeah, live stream number 4. Thanks for keeping me company, Mizu. I hope you have a great night. Yeah. Now listen here. That might be true, but you're sus for saying it. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of ironic. I mean, I say I do this for posterity, which I do, because I do think it's just kind of cool to keep these streams up on YouTube, and then 5 years down the line I can go watch them. And for other game devs, it's I think it's or aspiring game devs rather, it's kind of cool to see a project come to life like right in front of you, right? And I think that will kind of fill that niche. But yeah, I also just enjoy talking to people, and I get easily distracted. So when it's less viewers and whatnot, I'll get more done for sure. And when I don't have any guests or whatnot, hence why I'm like streaming on noon on weekdays. But yeah, maybe for the last couple streams I'll ping the New Eden Discord, but I don't know, man. It's so many people to ping for non-New Eden content. But yeah. Awesome. Well, hey, thanks a lot for keeping me company. You have a good one, man. Peace, peace.